Hi, I'm Donna Marks from Southdell Garages in Birmingham. We have 2 ramps, 2 technicians and an apprentice, but looking to expand.
What challenges were you facing before using TechMan?
Our previous garage management system was ceasing, so we did a bit of research and looked for something that was a little bit more personalised for a small company, and we decided on TechMan.
How was the setup with TechMan, the training, the onboarding, do you remember?
We went down to Northampton and had a bit of one-to-one training, me and my partner, and they were very helpful in exporting or importing all the things from the previous company. It took a bit of time, but it's getting easier now and much better.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operation?
It's the more you put in, the more you get out of it, and it makes our day-to-day running much more smooth. It's a real asset to have customers' information at the touch of a button.
Have you noticed an increase in productivity at all?
The reminders are excellent. We no longer have people forgetting to come. We are very busy, but we give them enough notice to get them booked in on the whole. So yeah, it's a lot more efficient,
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing help?
Good. We've had a few duplications, which they've helped us with. Generally anything that we need sorting, they're very good.
Would you recommend TechMan to any other garages?
I would, yes. It would be a real asset to you.